this is Scott from Harvest Helper, and today I was going to show you guys how to change your drive belt on a Twister T4. So all you got to do, if you still got your belt cover, take off your belt cover right here. Take your little button, you just pull it out and turn it to the side like that. And that allows you to push right there with the lever. See that? And then you just take the belt off. Your control box is just hanging on there, but you can just swap your belt out. So you can put your new belt on, and you just do the same thing. Keep your button pushed out, get your lever loose, and just push it in like that. Hook it around your blade pulley. Make sure it's on there right. Make sure you press all the way in there, and then just slide your belt on. And you just want to allow it to hit the slack where it naturally does. Put your belt button back in, just like that. I just turn it to the side until it clicks in, and then I just tighten that lever right there.